Time for our end of clinical wrap up with Thomas. He just finished 10 weeks, and here's his biggest takeaway from his rotation here at 180.
Yeah, I think just the streamlined nature. Patient walks in, do a very functional screening, which gives us a pretty good idea of things to look for while we're actually doing the treatment, and guides our treatment. Then we get them on the table and we know what we can be working on, find muscles that are inhibited, treat those, and then we get to retest that. And that also exposes what movement patterns we may need to focus on during their exercises. And then that gives us a good idea of ways we can modify that, tailor the home exercise program to exactly what the patient's needs are, whether they're a 90-year-old woman who has low back pain or a high school athlete.
And throughout that, we are doing patient education, so our patients understand what we are doing, and more importantly, they understand why we are doing what we're doing. And the why is not to feel better. The why is not to cover up symptoms. The why is to get to the root cause, reverse it, be able to prove our work and give them results every single time they come in.
Absolutely.